Welcome to Top Tech. Today we will explore the gigantic and powerful machines designed to conquer nature and assist mankind in harvesting precious natural resources. The most advanced timber harvesting machines in the world.
The Bandit 3680XP Beast Recycler is like the heavyweight champion of wood processing, ready to take on the toughest materials with unrivaled power and efficiency. Designed to tackle even the largest and most stubborn logs, this beast of a machine quickly transforms them into reusable material, making recycling a breeze. With its mighty engine and optimized design, the Bandit 3680XP doesn't just handle the job, it excels at it, whether you're dealing with massive projects or smaller tasks. Reliable and swift, this formidable recycler ensures that every job is done with impressive speed and precision, making it a standout performer in the world of wood recycling.
The Binford V8 chainsaw is a fictional tool featured in the TV show Home Improvement and does not exist in the real world. However, there are actual custom-built V8 chainsaws, such as those made by Whitland's Engineering for demonstrations in Australia, which use V8 engines to deliver extraordinary power for fast and effective wood cutting. These chainsaws are primarily used in demonstrations and are not widely available for commercial sale. The Advalinho Patas is an innovative mechanical delimbing and pruning machine designed for forestry management. It efficiently trims and prunes trees such as larch, pine, spruce, and eucalyptus, reaching heights of 12 to 15 meters. The machine can delimb 50 to 100 trees per hour, making it highly productive compared to traditional methods. It uses hydraulically driven belts and specialized blades to ensure clean cuts while minimizing damage to the tree bark, which helps maintain tree health. The Patas machine is lightweight, only 50 kilograms, and can be operated by 2 workers, making it portable and easy to use in various forestry environments.
The Caterpillar 320DFM forest machine is like the versatile hero of the forestry world, renowned for its exceptional strength and unwavering reliability. Designed to excel in every aspect of timber harvesting, this powerhouse handles everything from felling trees to moving logs with remarkable efficiency. Its robust performance and durable build ensure that it thrives in the toughest conditions, making it a trusted ally for any forestry task. Whether you're navigating through dense woods or tackling heavy-duty operations, the Caterpillar 320DFM delivers superior results and dependable performance, proving itself as an indispensable tool in the forestry industry. The Feecon FTX 300 mulching tractor is a formidable machine designed for clearing and rejuvenating forested areas with ease. Equipped with a powerful mulching blade, it rapidly transforms trees and underbrush into fine mulch, fostering new growth and improving soil health. Its robust construction ensures durability and high performance, even during extended use. With its ability to efficiently handle heavy-duty tasks and continuous operation, the Feecon FTX 300 is an essential tool for effective forest management and maintenance, making it a reliable partner in enhancing and sustaining woodland environments.
The Halverson HWP-120 is a skid steer mounted firewood processor that handles logs up to 15 inches in diameter and 12 feet in length. It features a 25-inch saw bar, automatic oiler, and a 4-way or 6-way splitting wedge, allowing a single operator to lift, cut, and split logs efficiently. It's compatible with most skid steers, requiring a minimum 14.5 gallons per minute flow and 2,850 pounds per square inch.
Next is the Husqvarna 572 XP, a powerful and modern chainsaw. Launched recently, the Husqvarna 572 XP delivers high cutting performance with its robust engine and advanced technology that reduces vibration and enhances durability. It's an ideal choice for precision cutting tasks.